So an important thing that we do with functions is when we call a function, we can pass it a value to use. So I'm going to say greet, and then I'm going to greet, say, Mr. Smith. So this is going to pass a value to this function. Now this function needs to be set up to receive that value. So I'm going to have in here a greet user name. So when I greet greet the function, when I call the greet function, passing it the value of Mr. Smith, that then becomes in the function username. So I could say hello here, and I'm going to actually use that value. So I'm going to put hello and username. It's not auto-completing because I didn't put the F at the beginning. That's right. Cool. And now it says hello, Mr. Smith. The farewell I haven't done yet, but I can do exactly the same thing. So I can put in the Mr. Smith, copy that, paste that, and I can have username or whatever I want to call it, and make this a print F goodbye and username. Cool. So that should, hello, Mr. Smith, goodbye, Mr. Smith. So the idea of passing values to a function which then get used, understand the relative position of these things.